How's everyone doing today? Welcome back to our 3K to 25K challenge. Yes, I am back. It's been a while. I revamped the challenge simply because I had a couple things going on. I actually kind of burnt the first account, right? We got that first account up to 6,000, but then during that Trump war and everything that was going on, we kind of just like got the account all the way back to 2,000, and I took a break from the small account challenges. But we're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. So for our first day back, we played OSTK, Overstock.com, and I basically made $200 off this trade. This was a swing trade. It was a 2-day trade. I'm actually going to show you exactly where I got in, why I got in there, and why did I get out. So first of all, let's go on to the daily charts. Always like to start there. I seen that OSTK is in this 1712, 1911 channel. So basically I drew my support and resistance, waiting for a breakout. I kind of got impatient here, and I'll explain exactly why I got impatient, why I got in on this candle here. So I basically seen this dragonfly doji here basically try to break through our bottom channel, our 1712 level, got brought all the way back up. Matter of fact, let me turn off the Vwap so you guys could see that better. All right. Boom. So boom, brought it all the way back up. So you could kind of see that this level is really standing strong. Buyers is not playing around right now. They don't want price to drop below this level here, this 1712 level. I seen this day as my confirmation, so I'm like, okay, we're heading back up to the upper channel. I seen this day basically break the previous high, or the previous close, I should say, of the previous day. So I basically made a bet and I got in. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. I got in here. So I got in on this candle as we broke above the close of the last day. Now, as you can see, this kind of, really played with my emotions throughout the day here, because as soon as we broke up, it seems like we broke back down below that level. Then I realized we had a little triangle going on. So I waited for the squeeze up. As you can see here, I squeezed up, went back above the close of the previous day, and then back below it. So like I said, the stock really has been giving me trouble on this day. But it didn't trip my stop loss. My stop loss was around the 1795 level. So I played this really tight, played this really close to the chest. Went in 200 shares. My plan was literally to get in at 1842 and get out at 1942. So I just literally wanted to make a 1-point move, make a quick $200 to add on to the account, because like I tell people, when you have your small account, you have to just count your gains. You have to take what you can get, until you can get that account up to a sizable point where you could then make bigger moves and make more comfortable moves. So once I seen this break right back above, drop back below, then we came back above, I kind of felt confident here. So I said, at least if we close above the previous day close, we're in good shape going into tomorrow. And then I basically rallied all the way up for the rest of the day, breaking that 1911 level, which was amazing. So now I see myself above that upper channel that we drew out here. Going back on a daily chart real quick. So once we broke above, as you can see, slightly closed above, that's where the confidence came in. Probably I expected a rejection. As you can see here, the stock was rejected 4 times in the past. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this was a risky move getting in. If I did see, a mountable pullback, I probably would have just took my profit wherever it was currently. Let's go back to the 5-minute chart. And then this is what I saw in the pre-market the next day. So I seen us basically hanging around this 1911. We got above it, and then like I said, as soon as I hit 1942, I basically got out to play. But if you look at this, and I stayed in, the stock actually squeezed up to 2035, 2037, around that level. Listen, I never would have known that would have happened, right? If it went the opposite direction because it got rejected, then I would have lost profit. So I'm okay with my $200 in profit. But if I would have stuck around, I would have been up $400 in profit if I executed and got out at this level, probably at the 2050 level, on this squeeze up here. Then I would have doubled my earnings in that sense. But like I said, never think that way. I do have another account on here, but I'll probably talk about. I made a small swing account here. I made 2 plays, holding this Tesla play, holding this Netflix play. But that's for another series. I don't want to confuse you guys. So for the 3K to 25K series, that was one of our first plays back, and it feels good. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If there's anything you want explained, anything of that sort, I'm back.